And Vijay's commenting here, attachment to Kriyas. Yeah, yeah, can totally get attached to the phenomena, right? It can feel good. It can also come with positive meaning. Oh, I'm going through Kriya. I'm healing. I'm clearing. I'm supercharged with Kundalini. This is great. Right? In the beginning, we're scared. We're like, what is this? Then we learn what it is. We're like, oh, great. I want more of this. This is fantastic. And so then we have to process that. We have to process the attachment to it as well, right? Sometimes it gets very quiet, very quiet. It's almost as if at times none of this ever happened to you. You're just like a normal person. And that can bring its own challenges because, like I said, the attachment to all the phenomena can really be there. You can feel as if you've lost it all. That can be quite alarming. And that goes for any phenomena, kriyas. Sometimes people get siddhis. They're seeing things with their third eye. They're seeing energy. They suddenly have spontaneous abilities to heal people. And maybe, you know, it's a extreme example, but it's not uncommon. People get healing abilities. And so with that, they're getting all sorts of ideas about how their future is going to be. They're going to be, like on TV healing people and they're going to be a billionaire and all this stuff. And then one day it's just gone. Now you have to grieve the attachment to all of the phenomena. So all of this is very challenging stuff, very challenging stuff. And so that's why we really want to practice entering into the flow and allowing what comes to come and letting go what wants to go. Just be very fluid. If it comes, okay, it's here. Interesting. This too shall pass. This too shall pass. This is a much more mature perspective. And of course, if we give ourselves up to the Shakti, the intelligence of the divine, give ourselves up to that and say, whatever you want to happen and to unfold in my system, in my life, then so be it. I trust you fully. Trust you fully. This is the best way to go about it. It's a much more healthier place than becoming attached to phenomena. Yeah, yeah. And of course, if there's attachment to phenomena, don't beat yourself up. How can you not become attached? If you develop some spontaneous healing abilities, how can your mind not start turning it into some sort of fantasy? Of course, it's natural, it's normal, it's human. It's human. We don't have to beat ourselves up. We want to catch these things. Just want to catch it. Yeah. We'll all go through some degree or another of this, for sure. For sure. So wild ride. This whole thing is just a wild ride, right?